Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a really quick home decor haul. I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a new video. Now, let me just go ahead and get started because I am running out of time. I am trying to film 2 videos on the same day because I have been having a lot of technical computer internet issues lately, so that's why there's been a little delay on my video. So just want to get that out there because I think from now on I'm going to start doing hauls per store instead of doing longer hauls like I have been doing in the past, just because it's getting really hard for me with my low-tech budget and just low-tech equipment to upload those longer videos. From the Target Dollar Spot, Bullseye's Playground, whatever you want to call it, I bought this really cute wire egg holder is what this little basket is called. I love that it has kind of like this chicken wire. I have a lot of this going around my house for Easter, so I thought it was perfect. I love that it's black, and I don't know if I'm going to do a little flower arrangement with some DIY eggs inside of here or what I'm going to do, but I can't wait to share that with you. And now you've seen my spring inspiration picture over on my Instagram, and it is my round shelf with all of the glass bottles that they had the previous collection with the pinks and the white, and they did have blues and yellows. Well, they brought some back for this new collection, but they are so much cuter because they are, I don't even know what to call it. They look more like vintage glass bottles or bud vases because they have all of this designs, and this is very opal house feeling. So I love this. I think I only got one in the white because that's all they had. I literally bought all they had, especially because they're only $1, so you really can't beat it. And then I got the same little design in this really nice like blue green. In the same blue green, I got this little bud vase, and this reminds me of the ones Hearth and Hand had last year. I think it was for the spring and summer. They were taller, and I have a yellow one, so I loved these because I think the yellow and the blue will pair really nicely together. And then my favorite one is this cute little pink one. Obviously, I'm obsessed with pink lately, down to the fact that I changed out the salt in my salt shaker to pink Himalayan salt because it's pink. So currently obsessed with pink. So obviously I had to get this one. I love the neck. I love this part. This just looks so beautiful. I only found one. They told me that they're going to be restocking them soon, so I'm hoping to go back and find at least one more of these and one more of these. And then I also bought these cute little wall signs, and they're also cute. Let me show you each of them individually. These were only $1. I couldn't believe it. I thought they would have been $3 because lately they're so hit and miss with their pricing and what you think you should be towards what it really is. So I thought these were going to be more expensive based on how they price certain things, but these were only $1. So I got this one that says dill, and it has a little dill plant. This one that says rosemary, and it has a little rosemary. This one that says basil, and obviously has a basil. This one that says oregano, and then it has the oregano leaves. And then this one is my favorite just because I love cilantro. Oh, sorry. So it says cilantro, and then it has the cilantro leaves. So I thought these were perfect. I love them. I don't know where I'm going to use them, but I could not leave them behind. And that's really all I got from the Dollar Spot section. My store was still stocking some of the items, and then there were others that I just didn't really like the other egg holders. I just wouldn't know how to use them, so I left all of those behind. But I was able to find some clearance Dollar Spot items in the back of the store. So I bought this huge succulent. It is a little weird here in this corner, but I'll kind of tuck that in the bag. It was $3, but I purchased this for 90 cents. And then I got this one, and I got this one for 30 cents because it used to be $1. I got 2 of these. They were 30 cents. I would not have paid $1 for this. But for 30 cents, I got 2 of them. I thought they were really cute because they're really short and they're like thick and heavy. I actually got 2 of these. I didn't realize I had bought 2 of these. I actually don't love these because this white looks really fake. So I don't know if I'm just gonna paint these or if I'm just gonna kind of insert them somewhere. Mixed in with other stuff, they won't look that bad. And then I bought 2 of these like vase fillers, or like yeah, these just say filler, I'm sorry. And I bought these, sorry, for 30 cents each. I got the white one, and then I got this like gray black one. And these are going to be for an upcoming project. And then in the back of this store, they have other succulents that are really good quality, and some of them are $1.47. And they are still way better quality than the ones they had for $3 in the Target dollar spot. However, they are kind of in the medium small size, kind of what you would find at Dollar Tree size, but for $1.47. And then they have others that are $2.99 and I think $3.99. So I don't know what category these fall in because they weren't marked, and I think they gave them to me cheaper than they were. But I'm not complaining because you know that I love this. Every time I go to Hobby Lobby, I buy like the longer one of these. But I love these, and I got 2 of them. I love that these are shorter than the really long ones from Dollar. I'm sorry, I love that these are short because they're perfect kind of little fillers for here and there, whereas the Hobby Lobby ones are really long, and I love those for some things, but sometimes I do want shorter ones. And you can open these up, and then you'll have individual little ones, again, just to stick here and there. So I'm going to try and find more of these just so that I have as part of my kind of succulent collection. And then these last ones were just so pretty. I absolutely love them. They look like flowers, but they're succulents. And these were expensive for succulents, but I couldn't leave them behind because they were so pretty. I limit myself and only got 2, so I'm hoping to go back when they mark these on clearance because they had others on clearance. So I can't wait to get these. I think these were part of the $2.99 ones, but I had a small gift card from Target from one of those. If you buy stuff, we'll give you $5 or something like that. So that's what I bought. Again, they're so pretty. They're pink. Again, I'm obsessed with pink right now. So these are going to be perfect to be part of my succulent collection, which keeps growing and growing. And I'm so excited because I want to do a lot of succulents for my summer decor. While I have you here, let me show you some stuff that I got at Walmart. I'm sure you've seen it everywhere. Other people do the shop with me's and all over Instagram. The beautiful items that Walmart has for this year's spring collection. And then during this time of the year, they also bring out farmhouse decor. And it is so beautiful. It always blows me away. But I am on a budget. So I didn't get a lot of items. There were some items that I held back, and I'm hoping that maybe I'll get them when they're on clearance. So all I got were a couple items that I knew I could not live without. The only thing I'm missing are the small tobacco baskets. Those I cannot find, and my Walmarts, honestly, I don't know what's wrong with them, but they're not stocking these items, or they're stocking very little. I've only been able to find it at one of my Walmarts, and I live very close to 4 Walmarts. So that's a shame, Walmart. Anyways, enough of a rant. Let me show you what I did get. I got 2 of these little like terracotta planters that have these flowers that are like lettuce, sorry. They do have a purple one, but I got this one because I thought this is what would match more of my current decor and what I have for spring. I'm hoping that my sister buys the purple one. That way we can kind of trade off every now and then. Like if she wants this one, I'll let her borrow it. Then if I want the purple one, she'll let me borrow it. And I wanted to mention that these are perfect for tiered trays because they're nice and small, but they're also nice and full to where they'll fill up a good amount of space. And I know a lot of people have not been loving these from Walmart, but I had to get this little box of lemons. I love that it has the different size lemons. They're not terribly realistic, but come on, none of them really are because they look too perfect, and that's not the way lemons look. But anyways, these were $2.98, I believe. Oh, and so was this little planter. So I got 2 of these boxes because I plan to use them for my little sister's baby welcoming. So that's why I couldn't leave them behind. And I also have a DIY project with these smaller lemons that I hope to use as party decor for her. And now the item that I was most excited about finding, and I did find, were these decorative vases. I love again that it has this chicken wire, kind of like the Target basket, because again I have a lot of this going on for spring. It matches perfectly some vases that I previously bought. Oh my gosh, there's something flying around me. Sorry. It matches 2 vases that I bought from Joann's. So I love these. I got 2 and these were expensive, but again, I only bought the items that I knew I would 1000% regret if I did not buy. So I bought 2 of these. It doesn't have the price, it just says decorative vase. But these were $6.98, over 6, under 7. But again, I absolutely love these. And that's it for this really short haul, I hope. Who knows? I tend to always make all my videos long, but I'm hoping I didn't. And I hope that you liked all of the items that I showed you. Leave me in the comments down below which was your favorite. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. And have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.